don't forget, still doing a giveaway of the Chemical Guys bucket. I'm gonna show y'all one last time. Boom, there we go, y'all. So got your washing mitt, towels, wash soap, spray wax, not a spray wax, quick detailer spray, interior clean for windows. You can use this on the glass and your this is for the interior, total interior, exactly what the name is, total interior. You can use it on glass also. And you got some, I don't know if I said towels, and a bucket and a sticker up in there. Plus NTVOT, which is a non-toxic vibes. I don't have it on today. I got my G8 of Houston shirt on today. So don't forget, that giveaway is still live, free giveaway. All you gotta do is go to the video before this one, the Saturday video, and can go watch that video, and I tell you exactly how you can win the Chemical Guys bucket and one of our non-toxic vibes t-shirts in that video. So make sure y'all go and do that. I'm gonna have it pop up at the end. I'm gonna have it pop up at the top also. So don't mind the bike in the background. This is a whole nother video. So don't mind that bike at all. But yeah, so y'all, this vlog, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is a straight vlog. It was a random vlog, but the people that's in the vlog are amazing people. One of the guys was a subscriber. So make sure y'all go. I'm gonna have the Instagram name, one of them, Instagram name pop up, and his YouTube and all that stuff. Both of them YouTubes. Make sure y'all go and y'all give them a subscribe. Tell them that Mo sent you, and you go follow them on Instagram also. So this is just, like I said, a random vlog, and this is why I love the people that follow me, like my subscribers. Just watch the video. It turned out to be, I ain't gonna lie, it was a pretty fun day. That was a pretty fun day. I didn't expect to be riding a bike that day, but I did. But let's go ahead and get the video started, y'all. Like I said, make sure y'all go to the last video after this one. Make sure y'all go after this one. Check it out so you can win this Chemical Guys bucket. And we're gonna start the video in 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all, so I got Kevin here, Excelsior on YouTube, and Barrett, and he also has a YouTube.
Oh wait, actually, let's start off. Actually, I never mentioned my name on anything. All right, one more again.
All right, y'all, so I got Kevin here, Excelsior on YouTube, and
Throw Mouse Moto.
Mo Nation.
They drove all the way over here to get some stuff done to their bikes, and they came by the house. So I'm letting y'all check out there. You can explain like, what kind of.
Yeah, this is a 2019 600. They come in 600 and they come in 900 like Kevin's. Mine's a 600. I got it with yellow panels. I repurposed them for the Chiquita banana panels here, using just like 12-inch vinyl stickers. It was actually as a joke. I keep these black ones on I was gonna do something with, but now it's like super trademarked, so I can't get rid of them. Also, like little things like we got the skid plate, upgraded shocks here. That's been helping out a lot. I've only had them on for a couple days. This is my first big drive from Austin to San Antonio on them, and I like them a lot. And of course, you gotta have the Baja Blast. This is the Baja Boost here. I get about 2.5 HP from just that, and the drippage there definitely helps out. But yeah, not a lot of crazy stuff. The RLS exhaust is probably my favorite thing, which you'll hear when Mo jumps on it and cranks it up. Grips, Domino grips. I kind of experimented with them. They're like MotoGP ones, and they worked out great. K&N filter. Just like little stuff, locks and things, but you can see that Kevin's got it all stepped up from the Madstad windshield.
Oh yeah,
it's 900. You got the crazy lights. He also has stage 3, but has the stage 4 in the back, so he's riding pretty soft back there with the 2-up max mount. He actually has the 2-up seat that goes on, but it's not on right now. But you can strap anything to that, and this is real good too. The comfort seat's definitely a step up. Gotta have the cup holder, and then you gotta say Kevin's trademark phrase, which is, "There's still ice in it."
Yeah, there's still ice in it from this morning.
Which he says at every gas station break. Came back from Zerati. So I ordered this grill to go on the front. Looks like Fangs. It's like their #1 deal, so I wanted to get something that's trademarked by them for sure. And Signature, which is the Fang grill. Got it in black. I'm thinking about spray painting it gold. I don't know why. I would do that.
It's going girl, bro.
But it'd be like a trademark. He got the shelf. We already put it to use. He got the Zarate shelf here. It's like skeletonized so you can stack stuff. And we thought it'd be funny to put it to use on the way home.
Yeah.
And put the grill on it, and then bam. That's the video that'll be coming out on Throw Mouse Moto. Not to cross promote. But
Nah, promote yourself, bro. I know. Hey, promote yourself.
Throw Mouse Moto.
Thrill Mouse Moto.
If anybody's got any questions on it, feel free to throw a question on YouTube. We'll answer it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll put his YouTube in the description. I'll put it down below. It'll pop up right here at least once or twice.
Oh, nice, man.
But they're about to give me the opportunity. Which one y'all about to let me drive?
This one, if you
Give you a little.
Oh, this thing is actually pretty pretty loud. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
So there's anything I should know before I?
Gas here, just like a regular bike.
Okay.
Brake down there.
Brake.
It's all three wheels at the same time.
Okay.
There is no clutch.
Nope.
There's no downshifting. There's no upshifting. It's just go and stop.
So is that the only brake on that side?
Oh, yeah, okay. I'm gonna start over. You only need to know one thing, okay? This is the brake.
All right.
Put your foot on that. That's it. That's the brake, dude. If something weird happens, something whatever, there's one thing you know, right? And that's the brake, dude. And I trust you with everything else because you mess around with cars and stuff. I'm not gonna tell you everything else, but the brake, the whole thing is fixing.
All right. So how exactly do I just press this?
Okay, so this is off, so just go on with that one, and then
Foot on the brake.
yeah, foot on the brake the whole time, and then hit that, and then go forward with the throttle. Oh, my bad. Forward with the throttle, then hit the now hit it. Yeah, there you go. That looks weird, dude. It's like a code. Since it's automatic, they want you to like really like break into it to get it started. It's really easy to use, you know what I mean? So it's like a safety type of a thing. Remember, that's the brake.
Can I let off the
Brake. When you're ready to go, move the throttle back. Like I said, kind of lean forward. All right, just because you're gonna know what kind of jerk you're gonna get. Right?
lose a wheel in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Man, you know what? I was just talking to my neighbor. I was like, man, I kind of want a motorcycle, but this thing right here, I don't know. This is fun.
You can't ride those in the rain. You can't do crazy
Man,
stuff.
it like, I mean, I don't want to disrespect it, but kind of felt like a four-wheeler in a way, but fun. I don't know.
That's the idea.
That's what it
is.
I always wanted to be on a four-wheeler on the road. I was like, I was like, who do I need to write? What governor or what do I need to do to make it a ride And then they came out with this, and I was like, it is a 4, like in the front end. And
Yeah, that's what
you
it
just
feels like.
pretend.
I was ready to buy an electric motorcycle. I couldn't justify the price
Yeah.
and the super power that those have for being a first bike. This came out and answered all my questions.
And the batteries don't last that long right now either, so you gotta wait.
And I kind of see what you mean when you taking off. I see what you mean, leaf forward, because when I came right over, I was over here, and I kind of gave it a little bit. It kind of like, I'm like, hey,
a little more power than you think.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that's fun.
I got an extra cylinder, so it's a little worse for me.
Dang, man. And this one feels pretty quick. I ain't gonna lie, I got on it a little bit, not much, but
we heard.
yeah, it got a little pop, like little pops and stuff too. I'm like, dang.
It'll all kind of be quick, but if you're trying to like ride with another person on the
Yeah.
back, and you're trying to like ride long distance and like hit a higher speed, then the 900s for sure.
And the resale
Man, I think y'all done started something. Y'all done started something. I kind of want one of these.
Dude, I'm telling you, I showed my homeboy, and then we went and bought one.
We're starting a bikes and pizza night once a month up in Round Rock. You're
Okay.
always welcome to show up. You don't need a bike. You just show up in the car.
Yeah,
It's a long drive for go get this pizza.
We plan on doing more stuff. Do you do it where you're just driving it around, or what all is your main content?
Mainly what I dad and just pretty much daily life, like daily stuff. I mean, I got my daughter, so every now and then I'll do a video on doing stuff with them, doing stuff, whatever I do to this car, whatever I do to the Grand Prix. The Grand Prix is a project car, so and then every now and then.
You're just a G8 owner, not like modifier, performance, this.
Yeah, I'm not
It's a
so
G8
much.
owner that
Yeah,
enjoys the car.
I'm just a normal guy, and just showing
That's
you
why I
like
your videos. It's like
yeah, showing people like the struggles of like the one video I did, just the struggles of being like a mobile detailer, like telling people like, hey, this is what I was charging, but now I realize why people charge this much. You know, stuff like that. Whatever I can make content on, I do it. Even though even though some of them like, man, nobody's gonna watch this, I still put it out just to be consistent. Because the more you stay in people's face, the more the channel start growing. That's what I figured out. So, and then I know some people just like you said, like just I realize I don't have to make this 1,000 horsepower for people to watch the channel.
not at all.
I just make daily family content, just stuff showing you that.
You riding around with the kid in the back.
Yeah, my daughter be with me
talking about
sometimes.
whatever, and it's like,
Yeah. So like this one, the Grand Prix, I'm just fixing up on it. I just pulled the racket pinion again because we put it on, but then it started leaking again. So I just pulled it the other night.
So like as far as stuff to film, I'm gonna be out there filming. I'm probably gonna try to make like 2 videos out of it.
Let me know what day it is, and then I'll check it out.
Stay through Saturday.
Yeah, I'll hit
Monday
you up on yeah, but I don't know what day I'm gonna go. I'll hit you up on Instagram if you added me on there already.
Yeah, I got you.
Cool.
Lock you in, man.
All right, I'll let you.
All right, appreciate y'all. Damn, bro, that was crazy. So, they're actually subscribers. That's crazy. So appreciate them. Make sure y'all go give them a follow for letting me check out their stuff. But that'll be the end of this video, y'all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have had a good day.